Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cash basis to accrual basis in QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Advanced tab. Locate the Accounting section. Under Accounting Method, you will see the option for cash or accrual. Select the accrual option. Click on Save to confirm your selection. After saving, a confirmation dialog may appear. Review it and click Done to finalize the change. Next, you'll need to adjust your financial reports. Navigate to the Reports section on the left sidebar. Select Profit and Loss. At the top right, choose the date range that you want to analyze. Make sure the report is set to accrual basis. The report will now reflect the changes you've made. Check for any discrepancies that may arise from this change. If discrepancies are found, investigate the underlying transactions. You may need to review invoices and payments to ensure accuracy. Return to the accounting settings if you need to make further adjustments. Once satisfied with the changes, exit the Settings menu. Your QuickBooks account is now fully set to use the accrual basis for accounting. Consistently monitor financial reports to ensure ongoing accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.